Healing from past traumas can be a challenging journey, but it's possible. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies for overcoming trauma and finding peace, the definition of trauma and the different types of trauma, for example, physical, emotional, psychological, the common symptoms of trauma, including intrusive thoughts, flashbacks, hypervigilance, avoidance behaviors, negative emotions. These are unwanted thoughts or images that keep popping into your mind, often related to the traumatic event. These are vivid memories of the traumatic event that can feel like you're reliving it. You may feel constantly on edge, always scanning your surroundings for potential threats. It can be hard to relax or feel at ease, even in safe situations. You may avoid places, people, or activities that remind you of the trauma. You may try to numb your emotions to avoid feeling pain or discomfort. Depression, feelings of sadness, hopelessness, or worthlessness, anxiety, constant worry, fear, or panic attacks, anger, feelings of rage, resentment, or irritability, guilt or shame, and blaming yourself for the traumatic event, or feeling ashamed of your experiences. The healing process, which involves acknowledging the trauma, processing emotions, and rebuilding a sense of safety and security. The benefits of seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor who specializes in trauma therapy. The importance of having a strong support network during the healing process. The importance of self-care and mindfulness practices, such as meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature. The importance of challenging negative thoughts and replacing them with more positive and empowering beliefs. Exposure therapy is a type of therapy that involves gradually exposing yourself to the things that trigger your trauma symptoms. The importance of finding meaning and purpose in your life. This can help you overcome trauma and find a sense of fulfillment. Healing from trauma is a journey, but it's possible. By seeking support, practicing self-care, and challenging negative thoughts, you can find peace and healing. You've got more strength than you know.